President of the United Workers Alliance, a labor union committed to defending the rights and dignity of all workers, especially those in the service and retail sectors. Our mission is clear: to fight for fair wages, safe working conditions, and respect in the workplace. We advocate for policies that ensure job security, health care benefits, and protection against exploitation. One of the biggest issues we address is wage theft, where employees are denied rightful earnings through collective bargaining and legal supports. We stand up for those whose voices are often ignored. United Workers Alliance, we believe every worker deserves fairness, dignity, and a future. Join us in building a stronger, more just workforce.